Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you the method of buying eSIM online with cryptocurrency. First, we're gonna enter the link in the description of the video. This link, we're gonna enter the link. We're gonna choose the country. Let's choose United Arab Emirates. We're gonna choose the delay of the delay of the SIM card. We're gonna choose our eSIM card, then ajouter au panier, then finaliser la commande. We're gonna choose Binance Pay or Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT or Solana or Tron or Leafy Pay or buy gift card. Then we're gonna finalize our command. I hope this tutorial on how to buy eSIM with the cryptocurrency help you. If it did, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and thank you.